Welcome to a transformative journey in green hydrogen investment. Our professional-grade financial modeling empowers you to make informed, data-driven decisions. With coverage of 6 electrolyzer technologies across 8 global regions, we provide the insights you need to navigate this complex landscape. Investing in green hydrogen presents unique challenges. Technology uncertainty arises from multiple electrolyzer technologies with varying cost structures and performance. Regional complexity involves differing electricity costs, labor rates, and incentives across global markets. Financial risk is heightened by complex CAPEX/OPEX structures requiring sophisticated financial modeling. Additionally, data gaps exist due to a lack of standardized, up-to-date cost and performance databases. Our solution is a comprehensive green hydrogen financial model, valued at $297, that transforms complex hydrogen economics into clear investment decisions. This model includes components such as technology databases, regional data, CAPEX, OPEX, financial analysis, and a user-friendly dashboard. Dive into our advanced technology database, which provides detailed insights into current and future electrolyzer technologies. From PEM to Alkaline and SOEC, we offer CAPEX, efficiency, and stack life data, enabling you to make informed technology choices. Our model includes localized data for 8 global regions, from the US to Australia. This data encompasses electricity costs, incentives, and more, allowing you to tailor your investment strategies to specific markets. Explore our comprehensive financial modules, which include dynamic CAPEX calculations, detailed OPEX analysis, production optimization, revenue projections, financial analysis, and a professional dashboard. These modules provide a robust framework for evaluating hydrogen investments. Our user-friendly design ensures ease of use with a simple control panel, automated calculations, and professional outputs. Change technology, region, and project size with intuitive drop-down menus, and enjoy real-time scenario analysis without complex formulas. This model is perfect for industry professionals, including project developers, investors, VCs, engineering firms, energy companies, government agencies, and academia. Evaluate site-specific feasibility, conduct due diligence, deliver studies, assess integration opportunities, and access industry-standard modeling tools. See our model in action with a real-world application, a 100 megawatts PEM project in Texas. With an IRR of 8.2% using IRA incentives, hydrogen cost at $4.50 per kilogram, and annual production of 13,538 tons, this project exemplifies the potential of green hydrogen investments. Explore another real-world application with a 50 megawatts alkaline plant in UAE. With a hydrogen cost of $3.20 per kilogram, electricity cost of $15 per megawatt hour, and a capacity factor of 85%, this project highlights the efficiency and economic viability of green hydrogen in diverse regions. Compare the efficiency of SOEC 2030 technology with PEM and alkaline options. Our model shows lower energy consumption for SOEC, indicating better efficiency and less energy required per kilogram of hydrogen, making it a promising choice for future investments. Choose the investment option that best fits your needs. Opt for a standalone purchase at $297 for full model ownership with no ongoing support or updates, or subscribe to H2 Hub for $99.99 per month for continuous updates, premium support, and additional resources. Our standalone purchase option is priced at $297, offering full model ownership with a one-time payment. This option includes no ongoing support or updates, providing a straightforward solution for those seeking immediate access to our comprehensive financial model.